Silvergrass is an ornamental grass that has a wonderful use in the landscape. Known as Miscanthus sinensis, these have those beautiful flower plumes that begin to come out in late summer and into the fall. Now, these do go dormant during the winter time, but these fine textured leaves add some different variety of foliage to the landscape. In a mass planting, as we see here, it is very striking. Now, in some areas, this is considered invasive. This is a clumping ornamental grass, so it doesn't spread, but you see these seed heads that spread very easily by the wind. So some people may have an issue with that, so we'll be careful. But these grow about 5 all the way up to almost 12 feet in height, and their spread is about 4 feet wide. Now, again, these can be used towards the back of beds. They can be used as a privacy screen if you have a mass planting of them. It can actually create that nice border that can guide you visually from one area to another. But here we see this mass planting of this gorgeous silvergrass with these beautiful flower plumes growing on these ornamental grasses. In the wintertime, birds love to bed down into these when deciduous trees have dropped their leaves. Silvergrass is an easy care addition to the landscape, pest-free, disease-free, doesn't require a lot of maintenance, and is very drought tolerant. It is a set and forget type of plant, wonderful addition to the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.